Hey folks, good morning, or good afternoon, 12:15, January 4th. Here we are at Kiraito no Saki. You wish you were here. Look at that. So what happens is Mount Fuji had 3 eruptions over its history, creating the mountain. And if we can go back over here, you can see that the water is not coming from a specific river, but it's just shooting out from between the layers of rock. And I don't know if we're getting it on this camera, but you can see some rainbows, which is Niji in Japanese, Niji. So what temperature do you think it is right now? 10 degrees. Yep. 10 degrees. We're here with Shinfuro, we got Nisemu. Say hi. How do you feel? Is that right?
Amazing.
Yeah? Wow. How do you feel?
It's good.
You live here, right? Lucky
I'm
guy. Local guy. Let's go over there.
Sure.
So we're going to take a little journey. We're going to walk closer. So here's a map of where we are. Did you want to explain anything about the map?
This is a CI hall. We can get closer to the hall.
Yeah, let's get a little bit closer. Obviously, you got to represent with the New York City. Whoa, I almost had a little slip there. I'm wondering if we can drink this water. You want to try?
No, I'm okay.
So here we are. Shun, you want to drink the water? I'm going to try it. Okay. いいの？
多分大丈夫だよ。Now he's going to taste the water. How's it?
Yo, it's nice. Want to try the water?
I'm okay.
Good. Drink that up.
Any comments?
Huh?
Any comments?
Yeah, it tastes like water.
Yeah.
From Fuji. Look at the ripples around this rock. Can you get that on the camera? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. See, it's like flowing around the. This makes for beautiful photography.
Yeah.
Can you see the rainbow there?
Oh yeah.
It's showing on this film, right? Okay, let's stop it. I'm gonna